Alright, these are going to be the elevators here at the Hyatt Place, here in Wesley Chapel, Florida. And we have some Otis Gen2s here to ride. Go to 6 and 6 hours locked. We're on 6. Go back down to 1. Door closed, but it works. Your cab view. Your nice elevator is definitely basic though for a Hyatt Place. These are your Series 2 buttons, certificates, your card reader there, floor indicator. Interesting how the indicator's flipped. Usually it's on that side, this one's on this side. Capacity on this car is 3,000, this is order number 2. 01. Now I'll go back up to 6 to get a view from the top. And here we're back at 6. There goes the elevator. And now let's get a view from this window. Nothing really exciting other than a forest. Down there's the parking lot. I think over there you can kind of see I-75, but it's very hard to see. I'm going to zoom in for you the best I can. Yep, that's I-75 over there where it meets up with Route 56. There's an ice machine, fire extinguisher, hand sanitizer dispenser at your fire alarm pull station. And here's your peek at the guest floor. I got a blur, there we go. Alright, I guess we'll go back down the elevator. We'll try to get the left car. We'll send this elevator down to the lobby. We'll try to get the left car. So there goes that one. And now we'll try to get the left car.
Eventually.
Well, after waiting for about 5 to 10 minutes, here's the left car. Go down to 1. We'll get our cab view from this elevator, we're going down. Similar to the other one, except this one's bigger and does not have the rear door in the back. These are your Series 2 buttons. Certificate down there, 3,500 pound capacity. The other one had 3,000 pound capacity. This is the order 1. And here we're back at 1. Now go back up to 6. You get a round trip on this elevator. And here we're at 6. And now we'll end at 1. I like how the door close button works on these elevators. you are back at the first floor.
First floor.
Yeah, that's right. Here you go, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
All right, you too. Just say hi.
Yep, thank you. Alright. There go the elevators, and that will be it.